Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. It's my favorite time of the year. Well, one of my favorite times of the year, because my favorite time of the year is the holiday season, gift guide season. If you know, you know. We're talking all about Prime Day. I love Prime Day. I think the deals are amazing. It's at the perfect time of the year. So today I'm going to be doing a master list of all my Prime Day recommendations, the best deals, things that you need to know. It's one of my favorite videos to do, and there's a giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So excited to get into it. Everything that I talk about will be linked down below, along with my Amazon shop that I update daily, if not hourly, leading up to Prime Day, and then on Prime Day I update it like every 5 minutes. So follow me on there, follow me on here and on Instagram and TikTok and all the things, and let's get into it. One of my top recommendations for these sales are cleaning gadgets, any sort of product like that to make your cleaning easier and more simple. So we have the Bissell steam shot. We also have all of these like newer scrubbing brushes that make scrubbing anything so much easier and more efficient. Carpet and upholstery cleaners are my go-to recommendation because usually they are pretty pricey, and these are the lowest they ever go. So we have this full-size one that comes with the smaller attachment so you can clean. These are great if you have pets or kids and light colored furniture. Also, if you don't want to invest in like a full-size vacuum, you can always get the Bissell little green machine. This is great for cleaning your car, cleaning like spot cleaning upholstery. It works incredible. I swear by electric mops, they cut your cleaning time in half, and now is the time to get them while they're on sale. This is my favorite, the one we've had for over a year now. I actually got it on a Prime Day, and you just refill it almost like a Swiffer, and you're able to clean your floors in half the time, and you can rewash or reuse the pads that it comes with. They're so much easier than a regular mop. I have so many gadgets on my list that are perfect for the holidays, gifting, or making your house a smart home. We have this Wi-Fi projector that is my husband's favorite thing. This Amazon smart thermostat where you can control the AC and the temperature and all of those things with your phone or your Alexa. This hands-free soap dispenser that I swear by. I've tried so many, and I swear I've had this for over 2 years. Got it on sale on Prime Day, and it's still going strong. There are so many photo printers and just regular printers and scanners on sale tomorrow. I highly recommend checking them out. Everyone needs a printer in their house. These photo printers make really good gifts though. Speaking of gifts, these are my favorite things to recommend for fathers and family members especially. But any sort of massager, there's foot massagers. This one is heated and super inexpensive. So shoulder massages, there's even an eye massager now. There's so many options, and they're all super discounted. The Hatch alarm is actually on my list, and so is the Hatch sound machine for my next baby. But if you don't want to splurge on Hatch products because they're really expensive, this is always my go-to. It's a sunrise alarm clock. It works just as well and has a lot of similar features to the Hatch, but it's literally less than $30 on sale. I upgraded our Ring camera to the Blink because we have the Blink security system, so I just wanted it to be seamless. And y'all, this was only $29 on sale. Highly recommend if you've been wanting a doorbell camera. Here's one of our cameras. It came with everything to mount them, to install them. The battery is supposed to last a really long time, so we didn't even have to hardwire them. I love the quality. I love the notification system. I just love everything about the Blink system, which is why we upgraded our doorbell camera as well. If you've been following me, you know this was coming. If you don't have a Kindle, now is the time to do it. I've read 84 books this year. My goal was 12, and it's all thanks to this one. I have the more expensive one. I think this is called the Oasis, but the paper white and the more basic ones they're on sale as well. I say this every time, but this is better than any Sephora sale when you're purchasing higher end beauty, hair. A ton of Luxe skincare brands are 20 to 30% off. The Korean beauty stuff, to Laneige, very popular viral products like this eye cream, Sunday Riley. But my favorite thing to get is hair care. Olaplex is always 20% off, which is such a good deal. They have living proof. They have so many dry shampoos, hair care, hair masks. So it's a great time to invest in those. Once again, better than any Sephora sale. They go 30 to 40% off. I'm gonna be stocking up on these. Mighty Patch has the best pimple patches. These that have the micro points, so they really get everything out. The ones for the nose and the chin are my favorite. If you have blackheads, I highly recommend. These are pretty pricey for what they are, so if you can get a discount on it, I highly recommend getting them now. I got these actually in my last Prime Day haul. Both of these 20% off, which is such a good deal when you're buying expensive brands, as well as makeup products. So Urban Decay, they have Lancome, they have It Cosmetics. This is my favorite brow pencil and it's always super discounted. They have all the cosmetics, foundations, skincare, Laneige. Once again, if you want to get their lip balms, Summer Fridays, they have the lip balm on sale. They have Grande Lash, but I highly recommend this lash serum. This is always the best seller and my top recommendation, the Crest 3D whitening strips. They're the lowest they ever go. They last me about 6 months, so I usually only purchase them in July and then in November for Black Friday. Great time to buy pillows, especially like hotel, popular best-selling pillows of Amazon. This one is my favorite. Mattress toppers, cooling mattress toppers, things like that. Bamboo sheets are on my list, but also any sort of like very top selling sheet from Amazon. Blankets, comforters, duvet covers, anything like that. As for kitchen appliances, there's really nothing crazy good. So unless you're in the market for these, I would maybe skip. They have some Rebel espresso machines and some Nespresso machines as well. These are on sale every single time. There's also cool things like a food vacuum sealer. These would be great as a gift. My husband loves his and uses it a ton. So many air fryers, probably any that you've been looking at will be on sale. So once again, unless you're in the market for a new one, I wouldn't rush to get one. I know this is a hot take, but I saw that Caraway pots and pans will be on sale, and honestly y'all, not worth it. Skip it. I know the sale is tempting, but I've had mine for over a year now and they suck. This is one of my top recommendations for gifts this year. It's this Cheeseboard. It's super discounted. It makes a great gift for truly anyone in your life. Another fun kitchen item is this drink dispenser. I would honestly get this for yourself, but I've had it for almost a full year. We cannot live without it. It makes our fridge so much more organized and easier to dispense. I love it. If you're in the market for an immersion blender, for a stand mixer, there's a ton on sale. They're really good deals. A ton of these smaller appliances that are on sale. I don't want to be redundant, but electric tea kettles, milk frothers, toasters, blenders, food processors, the ice machines that you always see on Instagram. So it's just a matter of waiting, like if you need these or not, and if the sale is good enough for you to buy now. I also wrote on my Instagram what you all were shopping for this Prime sale, and a lot of people said organizational items. It's a great time to buy these because they don't really get discounted a ton throughout the year. I have too many favorites to mention in today's video, but you can check out my Amazon shop. I have an entire tab for organization favorites. I've also done videos on those, so definitely check those out while they're still on sale. So many baby items will be on sale, so many essential baby items. So my rule of thumb here is if you're due after this sale, I would just wait until Black Friday. But if you're due like soon or very soon, then I would take advantage now, just so you don't risk having to buy it full price. So guys, that's everything for today's video. All the giveaway rules will be in the description box below. That's everything for today, but I have way more coming, way more giveaways, way more recommendations, deals, flash deals. So follow me on everything like I said, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next one.